Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of meal prep? Where healthy eating meets convenience. All without burning a hole in your pocket? Well, you're in for a treat. In this guide, we're serving up a feast of delicious meal ideas. If you want to spend less than 20 pounds. From Monday through to Friday, you're in the right place. These meals are packed with flavor, ease, and high in protein. The aim is to make meals that won't bust your calorie count. Whipped up with minimal effort and bursting with taste. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or a little bit of both, we've got you covered. From vibrant salads to comforting meals, each recipe is designed to make your taste buds dance, without stressing out your wallet. And here's the best part. We're spilling all the secrets to make your prep as smooth as butter. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen game? Let's get straight into it. 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Prepare a delightful Greek yogurt parfait that won't break the bank. Begin by layering 500 grams of Greek yogurt, costing around 1 pound, into serving glasses or bowls. Add a sprinkle of granola, approximately 200 grams for 1 pound, on top of the yogurt, followed by a layer of mixed berries, using about 500 grams of frozen berries for 1 pound. Repeat these layers until your glasses are filled, ending with a dollop of yogurt on top. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider drizzling a bit of honey or maple syrup between the layers. Serve these tasty and budget-friendly parfaits immediately, or refrigerate them for later consumption. This will roughly be 3 pounds 5 depending on what you add to your breakfast. Just before we get into the second meal, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. 2. Peanut butter and banana toast. Start by grabbing 2 slices of your favorite whole grain bread, which should cost you about 1 pound and 50 pence for the loaf. Next, you'll need a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter, which comes in at around 1 pound 2 for a tub. And of course, don't forget a ripe banana for slicing, which adds about 1 pound to your total. Once you've got your ingredients, pop those bread slices into the toaster and let them get nice and toasty, aiming for that perfect golden brown. While they're toasting, slather on a good amount of peanut butter on each slice. Go as thick or as thin as you like, depending on how nutty you're feeling. Once the toast is ready, lay those banana slices on top of the peanut butter covered toast. You can go for neat rows or get creative with your arrangement. It's all up to you. Feeling fancy? Drizzle a bit of honey over the bananas, or sprinkle on some cinnamon for an extra flavor kick. And that's it. Your peanut butter and banana toast is ready to enjoy. Serve it up while the toast is still warm, and the peanut butter is nice and melty. It's a deliciously simple snack or breakfast that'll satisfy any craving. All for 4 pounds or less for at least 5 days. 3. Chicken wraps. Here's what you'll need. 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, around 5 pounds pound 7. A splash of olive oil, roughly 10 pence. A pinch of paprika, about 10 pence. A sprinkle of garlic powder, roughly 10 pence. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. For the wrap assembly, grab 10 multigrain or protein wraps, approximately 2 pounds 3 pounds. About a cup of cooked quinoa adds up to around 1 pound pound 2, for that hearty touch. Shredded lettuce, around 50 pence. Diced tomatoes, fresh and juicy, approximately 50 pence. Crunchy cucumber, about 50 pence. Sliced red onion, adds a nice zing, roughly 30 pence. Your favorite shredded cheese, cheddar or your fave, about 1 pound pound 2. And don't forget some Greek yogurt or sour cream for that creamy finish, around 1 pound pound 2. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then season and bake those chicken breasts until they're cooked through. This can take 25–30 minutes depending on the size of your chicken breasts. While the chicken bakes, cook up the quinoa and prep the veggies. Once everything's ready, assemble your wraps. By spreading a layer of quinoa on each wrap, topping it with shredded chicken, veggies, and cheese. Roll them up tight, and put 2 wraps in each container. You'll have lunch sorted for Monday through to Friday. Whether you're enjoying them right away, or wrapping them up for a tasty meal on the go, these wraps are sure to hit the spot, without putting a dent in your wallet. Enjoy every delicious bite. This will roughly be £8.10 for 5 days, depending on what you want to add. 4. Chicken salad. First, grab 2 chicken breasts from the store, costing around £3 to £4. Season them up with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then let them bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20-25 minutes until they're fully cooked. While the chicken cooks, prep your salad ingredients. Mixed salad greens, around 1 pound 2. Cucumber slices, around 50 pence. Diced bell pepper, about 70 pence. Thinly sliced red onion, approximately 30 pence. Halved cherry tomatoes, around 50 pence. And sliced almonds, approximately 50 pence. Feel free to toss in some crumbled feta cheese, if you're feeling fancy, about 50 pence. Once the chicken is ready, let it cool before slicing or shredding it. Now, combine all the salad ingredients in a large bowl. Add the chicken on top, and drizzle with your favorite dressing. Balsamic vinaigrette, ranch, or whatever you prefer. Budget around 1 pound 2. Give it all a good toss to coat everything in the dressing. Then serve and enjoy your fresh and flavorful chicken salad creation. This should be roughly £6.09 for 5 days, depending on how you scale and what you like. 5. Chili con carne. Heat up olive oil in a large pot or pan over medium heat. Add diced onion, and let it heat up until soft for about 3-4 minutes. Costs approximately 50 pence. Add chopped garlic and cook for another minute. Costs around 20 pence. Throw in the ground beef, breaking it apart and cook until browned. Around 5-6 minutes. 500 grams of lean ground beef costs around £5 7. Next, add diced red bell pepper, approximately 70 pence. And let it soften for a couple of minutes before adding drained and rinsed kidney beans. A can costs around 50 pence. Chopped tomatoes. A can costs roughly 50 pence. And tomato paste, about 20 pence. Sprinkle in chili powder, ground cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper, totaling around 60 pence for all spices. Then simmer uncovered for 20-25 minutes, until flavors meld and chili thickens. Serve hot, garnished with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, fresh cilantro, or sliced jalapenos. Enjoy this budget-friendly, flavor-packed chili con carne with rice, cornbread, or tortilla chips, and savor every mouthful. Cook up a big batch over the weekend and portion it out for easy grab-and-go meals throughout the week. Pair it with brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes for a balanced meal that fuels your workouts and promotes muscle recovery. You will be roughly looking at £8.10 for 5 dinners, if you scale it right and depending what you want to add to it. Just before we get into the last meal, be sure to check out the link in the description for ketogenic recipes that can help you lose weight. 6. Chicken noodle dish. To create a cost-effective high-protein noodle meal for 5 days, let's adjust quantities and select more budget-friendly ingredients. Start with 500 grams of affordable high-protein noodles, like chickpea or lentil noodles, priced at around £5. For protein, opt for 500 grams of thinly sliced cooked chicken breast, ranging from £5 to £7.50. Choose economical vegetables such as 3 bell peppers for £2.10, 3 small onions for 90 pence, 6 cloves of garlic at 60 pence, and 6 cups of mixed veggies like broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, totaling 3 pounds. Additionally, you'll need 3 tablespoons each of olive oil, 30 pence, soy sauce, 60 pence, and sesame oil, 60 pence. Enhance flavor with optional toppings, like sesame seeds and sliced green onions. For approximately £1 and 50 pence. Begin by cooking noodles according to package instructions and setting them aside. In a large skillet or wok, cook sliced chicken in olive oil until browned and cooked through, then set aside. Stir-fry bell peppers, onions, garlic, and mixed veggies until tender crisp. Return chicken to the skillet, add noodles, soy sauce, and sesame oil, and combine well. Divide into 5 portions, garnish with optional toppings, and refrigerate. When ready to eat, reheat and enjoy your affordable yet nutritious noodle meal. This meal costs roughly £8.10 depending on what you like. If you liked this video and want foods that are high in protein and are healthy, check out this video right here. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.